Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show exactly how to disable the Fingerprint unlock feature on Telegram. If you've been using Fingerprint access but prefer to switch it off for privacy or convenience, this process is simple and only takes a moment. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, look at the top corner of the screen and tap the menu icon, the one with 3 horizontal lines. This will open up Telegram's main navigation panel. From here, scroll down slightly and tap on Settings. This is where all your account preferences and privacy options are located. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap on Passcode Lock. Telegram will now ask you to enter your current passcode to continue. Go ahead and enter it to access the security settings. Now you'll see several options related to your passcode and device security. Look for the option labeled Unlock with Fingerprint. If it's currently enabled, the toggle will be switched on. To disable Fingerprint unlock, simply tap the toggle to turn it off. Once it's switched off, Telegram will no longer allow access using your fingerprint, and you'll need to rely on your passcode instead. And that's it. You've successfully disabled Fingerprint unlock on Telegram. This can be useful if you want tighter control over access or if your device is shared with others. If you ever want to turn it back on, you can follow the same steps and re-enable the toggle at any time.